Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to start page numbering from a specific page range. This is my PDF file and I will start page numbering from this page number 3. I'll add this page and begin to end last page. Now click on this organize option and here you will find this header and footer option. Click here. Now select add option and remove all of these boxes, header and footer text, and I'll add here and click on this arrow and here you will find edit page numbering style. Click here and you can start from page number 2 and so on, and select an increment on and style and choose only number. Now select OK and this is page range option, total 6 pages, and I will exclude first 2 pages. I will set page number 3 to 6. Now select OK and select OK and see this first 2 pages page numbering not showing, and this page number 3, this page number now showing, and see this. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.